Oscillation 2. Hello students, in this video you are going to study displacement, velocity and acceleration of SHM. Displacement of SHM is what? Y is equal to a sin omega t. If we find the derivative of this equation with respect to time, then we get velocity. If we differentiate with respect to time this formula, then we get acceleration formula. At mean position y is equal to 0, at extreme position y is equal to a. At mean position, yes, velocity is maximum, that is a omega. At extreme position velocity is minimum. At mean position acceleration is 0 and at extreme position acceleration is maximum. Next, graphical representation of displacement, velocity and acceleration. This is displacement, variation of displacement with respect to time. This is variation of velocity with respect to time. This is variation of acceleration with respect to time. When we are observing displacement and velocity, yes, there is a phase difference between pi by 2. Velocity and acceleration, when we are observing velocity and acceleration, there is a phase difference pi by 2. When we are observing displacement and acceleration, yes, there is a phase difference between displacement and acceleration pi radians. See here, velocity in SHM is leading the displacement by a phase pi by 2 radian. The acceleration in SHM is leading the displacement by a phase pi radian. The acceleration in SHM is leading the velocity by a phase pi by 2 radian. Yes, problem 1 we are solving now. In this problem, yes, what is given? Velocities at distance x1, x2 from mean positions are v1 and v2. Two cases are given. Yes, x1 and v1 is given, x2 and v2 is given. They are asking to find time period. So velocity formula we are using here. v1 is equal to omega square root of a square minus x1 square. v2 is equal to omega square root of a square minus x2 square. Here omega I want because I want to find out time period. So in this equation, two equations are there. Yes, if I cancel this a, then it is very easy to find out omega. So how? Just to subtract equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 minus equation 2, yes, squaring both sides and subtract v1 square minus v2 square is equal to, when we are simplifying this, we get, yes, omega square is equal to v1 square minus v2 square divided by x2 square minus x1 square, and omega is equal to square root of, but omega means what? 2 pi by t, and simplifying this you get t is equal to 2 pi square root of x1 square minus x2 square minus x1 square divided by v1 square minus v2 square. Yes, so our answer is A. Next, second question, the velocity of a particle executing SHM is 30 meter per second when its distance from equilibrium position Q, equilibrium position means from mean position, is 3 meter. Yes, v1 is given, distance is given. Next, v2 is given, distance is given. What they are asking? They are asking to find the frequency. This is same as this last problem. So again I am using same concept. First, velocity is given and displacement is given. Second, velocity is given and displacement is given. Just to write that given in velocity formula as equation 1 and equation 2, subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Why? Because I want to cancel a. For that I am doing equation 1 minus equation 2. So when you are simplifying this, you are getting 25 is equal to omega square 16, and omega is equal to 5 by 4. But omega means 2 pi f is equal to 5 by 4 and f is equal to 5 by 8 pi. So our answer is B. Next question. If the displacement x and velocity v of a particle executing SHM are related through the expression 4v square is equal to 25 minus x square, then its time period is, yes, the given equation is, whether it is in standard form or not, it is necessary to check. Yes, we are going to differentiate this and we are converting this formula in the form of acceleration. See, differentiating given equation with respect to time, then we are getting here, yes, v, and this side dx by dt. Dx by dt means what? V. So v cancelled, dv by dt means a. So we get a is equal to minus x by 4. This equation is same as acceleration in SHM. So when we are comparing this, instead of omega square, here minus 1 by 4 is there. So omega square is equal to 1 by 4 and omega is equal to 1 by 2. But omega means what? 2 pi by t, that equals to 1 by 2. And solving this, we get t is equal to 4 pi second. So our answer is C. Next question. A particle executing SHM has maximum speed 0.5 meter per second and maximum acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The angular frequency of oscillation is, yes, here it is given maximum speed and maximum acceleration. We know the formula for maximum speed and maximum acceleration. So that is A maximum is equal to A omega square and V maximum is equal to A omega. So what you want? You want angular frequency. So I don't want A here, so I will divide these two equations. Then you are getting omega square by omega. So when one omega cancelled, you get omega. A maximum is what? 1 meter per second square. V maximum is what? 0.5 meter per second. When I am substituting that, yes, we get answer omega is equal to 2 radian per second. So our answer is A. So next question. A particle starts SHM from mean position, its amplitude is A and time period is t. At the time when its speed is half of the maximum speed, its displacement y from the mean position is, yes, amplitude, time period, yes, next case, second case is given at the time when its speed is half of the maximum speed. Then we have to calculate displacement y is what? From the mean position. So here also there is two cases. One, v is equal to omega square root of a square minus y square. But what they are saying is at the time when its speed is half of the maximum speed. So maximum speed is what? Omega a. So v is half of that, omega a by 2. So omega a by 2 is equal to omega square root of a square minus y square. So here omega and omega cancelled, you get a by 2 square root of a square minus y square. Squaring both sides, we get a square by 4 is equal to a square minus y square. Yes, we have to calculate y is equal to what? So simplify this, you are getting y is equal to a root 3 by 2. So our answer is what? C. Yes. Thank you.